In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Microsoft Teams for video conferencing. We'll walk through the main things you need to know so you can start a meeting, schedule one ahead of time, join meetings easily, and use the most important controls with confidence. To start a video conference right away, open Microsoft Teams and go to the Calendar section. From there, select Meet Now for an instant meeting. Before you enter, take a moment to check your camera and microphone. This is a good habit because it helps you avoid technical issues once the meeting begins. When everything looks and sounds right, click Join Now. After you're in, you can invite other participants by opening People and choosing Share Invite, or by copying the meeting link and sending it to them. If you want to schedule a meeting for later, go back to Calendar and click New Event. Enter a clear meeting title, then add your participants. Next, choose the date and time that works for everyone. Make sure the event is set as a Teams meeting, so the join link is included automatically. You can also add an agenda or extra meeting details to help everyone prepare. When you're done, click Send or Save. Your participants will then be able to join using the meeting link in their invitation. If someone sends you a Teams meeting link, joining is simple. Open the link from your email or calendar, then choose either Open Teams or Continue on this browser. Before joining, check your camera and microphone, and if you have more than one device connected, select the one you want to use. Then click Join Now. In some meetings, you may enter a lobby first and need to wait for the organizer to admit you. During the meeting, Teams gives you several useful controls. You can mute or unmute your microphone, turn your camera on or off, open the chat to send messages, and use the People panel to view or manage participants. There's also a raise hand option if you want to speak without interrupting, plus reactions for quick feedback. If you need to present something, use Share to show your screen or content. When you're ready to leave, click Leave. To share your screen, click Share in the meeting controls and choose what you want to present. You can select your full screen, a specific window, or another supported presentation option. Present your content as needed, and when you're done, click Stop Sharing. You can also change your camera background before or during a meeting. Open the camera or video settings, then select Effects and Avatars or the background options.